Hello, my beauties. It's Tara here, and we are going to be unboxing Boxy today. I wanted to let you guys know that Truly Beauty is having a really good sale. Well, you get a mystery bag. I think it has 3 items in it, and it comes with one of their towel bags. And if you spend 150, you get that for free. Like, it's mystery products, but they say those products all line up together. So you're probably going to get like an acai or a vegan collagen, something from each of their lines. They're doing it today through Monday, and every day is a different bag. I was going to do it today, and then I decided I wanted to wait because it was the yellow and white bag. And I mean, it's pretty, but I think I want to wait on the white and pink bag. Um, okay, so let's get into Boxy. I've already unboxed this because I, what I've grown to realize is I stop and start because they don't come with the little things anymore that tell you how much they are, and I want to let you know how much this stuff is and if it's worth getting. So let's get into it. Um, so here we have, I hope that light isn't too much. It is First Aid Beauty. It's a gentle foaming face cleanser, and it retails. You can get it at Ulta for 24. Now the rest of the pricing is what they say it is on Boxy's website. So I don't think they would lie. Um, I'm sure that it's going to be pretty accurate. All right. Next we have, which is my favorite thing in the box. I already ripped it open in the first video, but it is Iconic London, and it's a that's just so pretty. And now it's got fingerprints all over it. Mm, is it better? No, it's still got fingerprints all over it. Okay, so it's a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer all in one, and it's cream. So it's, let's see. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let's try to. I mean, where did I just put that at? That's a very light bronzer. So maybe it's just a highlighter. Wow, yeah, you can't. You can see the highlighter better. Beside the bronzer, you can kind of see it better. Oh my gosh, you can't see these. Yeah. Iconic usually does a really good job. And you can't even see them. I mean, I guess it's going to be buildable. It's starting to come through a little bit. Maybe it's got to set on the skin for a few. I mean, most highlighters, I mean, they just, can you see that? Hmm. I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty. I don't know. That was kind of disheartening. But I'm sure that you can build it, and I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so next, and oh yes, the iconic is 38 bucks. So okay, and this is the base box. Just so you know, I don't think I mentioned that. Meant to. This is Evio Skin, and it is a lip serum, and it is 16 bucks. That's a repeat item. And the one thing that did come, the little card that did come in my box, which used to tell us info, which doesn't anymore. The only info that it's got on it is that um, they've got something epic coming. And I've been hearing this, go to their Instagram, and I've went to their Instagram. There's nothing. And Ipsy says the same thing. So I'm starting to wonder if Ipsy and Boxy are going to come together. And I kind of hope they do, because I'm getting so many repeat items in both boxes, and I don't know what, I got in what. I just know that it's repeat items. So I hope that they do come together and form like a super, super group, whatever. And that way, you don't have to pick between one or the other. Um, one month I'll think that Ipsy is the best, and then the next month I think that Boxy is the best. So, I love both of them, but if they came together, it would be amazing. So, with both of them saying that they've got amazing news coming, and it's at the same time, I'm guessing. I'm just, that's my guess. So, okay, next we have their real magnet. I've tried this. This is another thing that's a repeat, which usually I get the little ones, but I've also got a big one. And I don't like it. It's a really good little, it's cute packaging and the wand is great, but the mascara itself, it gives me raccoon eyes, and that makes me crazy. I can't stand for something. Like, I work every day and I can't stand to be at work and go to the bathroom and I've got mascara running down my face. That's embarrassing, and good makeup should not run. If I'm sweating and all that stuff and it's claiming to be waterproof, then it should be staying put. And I don't get that with Benefit mascara. I just don't. The only one that I have had any luck with is Hourglass. It's awesome. I wear it every day and I never have an issue. Now, Charlotte Tilbury's I've tried and hers is okay, but that's one that I'll find it's down here when it should be up here. And everybody raves about the Too Faced mascara. And again, I'm just going to tell you the truth. It's not good. It is the worst to give me raccoon eyes. I hate that stuff. And everybody goes crazy about it like it's so wonderful. No, it's not. Sorry, my opinion. And that's what I'm here for, to let you know what's good and what's not and what's worth buying. And Too Faced, Too Faced has a wonderful, the palettes are wonderful, beautiful colors. I usually wear it a couple of times a week. The peachy, I love that one. I just got the chocolate one and I've wore it a couple times, but the colors are an awful lot alike. Okay, so and that was 16. Did I say that? Oh no, the mascara. I just went on a tangent about mascara and I went back to the lip serum. Okay, so the Benefit is $28. Not worth $28. Sorry, it's just not. Okay, so next we have Micho. Um, this is a eyeshadow. Sorry, forgot where I was there for a second. Okay, so I've already opened this. I don't know why I put it back. It's gorgeous, and like that is gorgeous. I love that color. It's glittery, but that's a great color. Okay, yeah, it's really glittery. Now, a night out, that's fine, but being a working person, I don't like to go to work with glitter all over. I mean, I have, but I would rather not. Like, I'd rather go to work with some very, you know, natural colors. But that's gorgeous. I mean, it is. And it is, I have it written down here. And what is it? Oh, okay. It's 21. My bad. Sorry. Edit, which I don't know how to edit. So, actually, I do. I just have to figure it out. And I just don't have the time. So, one of these days, I'll be able to edit my little things. Like, I would have such a great blooper reel. See? Um, but I don't, because I just restart the dang videos. So, okay. $32.08 is how much it is to get this base box. And it adding everything up, that's $127 worth of stuff. Is that worth it? I think so. To me, it is, trying this stuff, like the iconic. It looks amazing, but whenever I tried to put it on, it didn't go over so hot. And maybe it's my lighting. Um, I can see a little bit right there, and that's from the blush. And I mean, I see a little bit of the highlighter, but I don't see any of that bronzer. And a bronzer is supposed to really stand out, like you're supposed to, it's supposed to. Okay, well, okay. Well, let me correct myself, because it's called the Dewy Glow Highlight. So apply to the high points of your face and collarbone and blend with a buffing brush, um, for an all over radiant glow. So maybe I'm being a little hard on it. Okay, so it's not a bronzer, it's a highlighter, it's an illuminator. So, okay, but it's still like, I'll have to try it and see. All right, so that's going to be it for this one. Remember to go to Truly and put in my code Tara Ratliff 15 to get 15% off of your cart. And that's it. All right. I've got some good stuff coming. I've got Slay. I ordered Meaningful Beauty because I had such a good outcome with the J-Lo stuff. I was like, the the Meaningful Beauty has been around for some time, so they're doing something right. Um, so I'm excited to get it. It's on its way. So yeah, all right. Well, I'll see you guys. Should be getting the Boxy Premium soon. Maybe, I guess. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.